I just came from a court. There was two matters, CBI matters today. One before the JMFC, the other one in session. In a session to release my item, what they seized all these years, 8 long years, and in the JMFC, the matter was the JMFC, which is closed today. Order passed, closed. I'm Kushal no. He order passed in my favor. There was not even 1% where they find me guilty or wrong. हांव कितलो सफर जालो ती म्हाका खबर आहा. जो बिझनेस आशिल्लो म्हजो वेगळो वेगळो कारबार आशिल्लो तो पॅरलायज केलो. I was US citizen in 1999. I surrendered my citizen. I was holding residency. One of a Congress general secretary at that point of time. ते आज काँग्रेसाकूय ना, ते आतां दुसऱ्या पक्षाक घेवन आहा. सो म्हजी इतली गोश्ट सांगपाक, ह्या काँग्रेस सेक्रेटरी आशिल्लो तेजी फॅमिली एक पत्रकार आशिल्लो, तेणें येद्दे व्हडलें आर्टिकल हाडलें की बाबा मिकीच्यो अश्यो अश्यो गोश्टी आहा, मनी लॉन्ड्रींग आनी ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग. आनीक त्या टायमार काँग्रेसान तेंच पावर यूज करून पावर यूज करून म्हाका त्या वेळार टायट केलो. विजय सरदेसाय who was general secretary. म्हाका नांव थंयचार म्हूण सांगिल्लें तुका हांवें. म्हाका नांव सांगपाचें कोण प्रायम मिनिस्टरा पासून नांव सांग म्हूण सांगपी म्हाका सांगपाक कांय फरक ना. हांव धरपूक न्हू हेरां भशेन बाबा. मुगे वांकडे कांय ना सांगपाक कितें आहा तर. सो मुगे पॉलिटिकल कॅरियर कितें आहा फुडाराक कितें करपा जावो तो हांव सद्दां एकमतीन केलो आहा. आय ऑलवेज टेक माय पीपल इन टू कॉन्फिडंट and I'm very much confident that the next election, Miki will be definitely in Goa legislature from Benavli constituency. From Benavli constituency. Again, I'm telling you, from Benavli constituency, advance, okay? And I will put another candidate all over other constituencies.